1st of June. We are here with Dhanashri, who is our family, and we are in Art in the Garden. Dhanu, why don't you tell us a little bit about what it is?
It is the show, spring show from Artists of Stonebridge, and it usually happens with clubbing with the Stonebridge Garage Sale, and we are about 10 to 12 artists displaying our works here in the beautiful setting, the beautiful garden of Karen Scott, one of
Karen
our
Scott.
founder member.
And this is what Dhanu is referencing. I'm not gonna go to each and every artist because there's certain elements of trademarking, copywriting, intellectual property that I have to be cognizant of. But I just want to give you a sense of. And why is this video being made? I will come to it in a second. So Dhanu, you said 10 artists, yeah?
Around 10, but like we are a probably group of 55 artists currently. But
And
this
that's
is a
across
smallish
Ottawa?
show. Just in Stonebridge.
Just 55 artists?
Yeah.
So speak to us a little bit about the artistic community in Ottawa.
In Ottawa, well, there are many of such local organizations. Like there used to be Nepean Fine Arts League, which was one big organization. Ottawa Watercolor Society, which is more medium specific. There is big group in the east side, Art East. Now this is Stonebridge Artists is a close-knit group. It started with just 5 members. The
And
five
it's about
artists coming
55
together.
now, you
now
said.
It's 55. Although we do want to limit it to kind of 60 people. So that we can arrange more events, and it's mainly to support the local artists.
And this is the 1st of June. So this is
Yeah.
the initial
it's usually
get
one of the shows. No, we meet every 2 months. We have some regular painting sessions going on Tuesdays at Minto. Our main show is the Fall Art Show, which happens on Stonebridge. It used to be Stonebridge Golf Club. Now it is on Cedar Hill Golf
Cedar
Club.
Hill.
Yeah.
And what's the rough
that's
time
a
frame?
bigger event.
What's the time frame on that?
I believe it's 19th, 20th October weekend. That's happening
Perfect.
this year.
So in the
Yeah.
fall,
Yeah.
I'll let you get back to people who are coming by, but I'll come back to you for your background very quickly because I want people to understand how somebody who grew up in India made it to the arts community in Ottawa. So this is the backyard, and let me now contextualize it. Why is this important for me to make? It is important for me to make because again, when we talk about international students, when we talk about Canada, as I have often said, there is a lot of conversation on what is wrong, what could have been done, what is not being done. But at the same time, we have to really understand that there's a thriving element to the society, the civil society, the regular day-to-day life in Canada, and this is a little bit of a view of what the arts scene in Ottawa looks like. So, like Dhanashri mentioned, this is a microcosm of it. There are these local, geographical, but also theme-based groups that are committed to not only supporting each other, but also to supporting arts in general. So, if you have an artistic disposition, if you're really curious, interested in, if you're a practitioner of a lot of these people, like now Dhanashri is an artist. That's her profession. But I was talking to Donald, who's right next to her, and right over there, he's got beautiful pictures of barns and houses. And he was telling me how he was a technologist, and this was something he used to do over the weekend. So whether you are a committed artist in the sense that that's your profession, or you're doing it on the side, there is a community and there is an ecosystem that's here to support you. And this is just a small microcosm in Ottawa, in Canada, but you can expect something like this across everywhere. And look at the setting, look at the backyard. So again, जो मेन बात है वो ये है कि यहाँ पे एक यूनिडायमेंशनैलिटी नहीं है. यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट आते हैं, यहाँ पे अकाउंटेंट्स आते हैं, सोशल मीडिया के लोग आते हैं, डॉक्टर्स आते हैं, इंजीनियर्स आते हैं, यहाँ पे आर्टिस्ट भी आते हैं. और जो आर्टिस्टिक सीन है वो बहुत ही डायनामिक है. उसके जो लोग हैं वो बहुत ही एंगेज्ड हैं. दे आर वेरी सपोर्टिंग ऑफ ईच अदर. And if you are an artist, whether you are an artist who is already firmly committed or you're somebody who's just exploring, आप लोग यहाँ आएँ, आपको यहाँ पे पूरा सपोर्ट मिलेगा. धनश्री इज़ अ परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल. आप वो पुणे से है इन इंडिया. यहाँ पे आके उसने कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया. स्टिल क्रिएटेड लाइफ फॉर हर सेल्फ इन आर्ट्स और यू नो स्टे ट्रू टू इट. हर वर्क इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. अब मेरी तो फैमिली है तो मैं तो थोड़ा बायस भी हूँ, बट दिस इज़ हर डिटेल्स, धनश्री बापट. And you know, if you want more detail, you can go to dhanashri.com, and she also offers teaching, so training, teaching, mentoring, coaching, and then arts. So again, we are here today, and we came out not just to celebrate Dhanashri, but also to celebrate the artists in our community. And सब बहुत मस्ती से आएँ. अगर आप आर्ट्स में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो ज़रूर आएँ और आप यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही थ्राइविंग, एक्साइटिंग, कमिटेड, इंस्पायरिंग कम्युनिटी के पार्ट बनेंगे. सो विद दैट आई एम गोना टेक योर लीव, बट ऑन दिस 1st of June 2024 मैं आपको सिर्फ एक कनाडा का एक और एस्पेक्ट, एक और पर्सपेक्टिव दिखाना चाहता था, जिसको यूजली अगर आप यहाँ पे एज एन इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट आते हैं या फिर आप एज अ परमानेंट रेजिडेंट आते हैं, आपको टू गेट टू इट टेक्स यू सम टाइम. एंड पर ये है, दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ हियर, एंड दिस इज़ समथिंग यू कैन डेफिनेटली लुक टू बी a very active contributing part of. So with that I take your leave. और किसी और वीडियो में किसी दिन धनश्री की जो एक्चुअली उसकी जो अपनी पर्सनल जर्नी है उसके बारे में किसी और वीडियो में बात करेंगे कि कोई जिसकी एक एज ए आर्टिस्ट बैकग्राउंड थी, जो पुणे से हैं. When she came to Ottawa, the capital of Canada, how did she stay true to what her life commitment was, and what has she done since then to get to the point where she is recognized as one of the most successful artists in our community here in Ottawa. So with that, on this beautiful day, where we are still feeling like we are welcoming the summer of 2024, I take your leave with a final peek into Dhanashri's amazing creative work.